What if I told you generating passive income online is easier than you think? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how to make money while you sleep. Imagine waking up to extra cash in your bank account. Start a blog and monetize it through ads. Create an online course sharing your expertise. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. Rent out your property on Airbnb. Sell digital products like ebooks or art. Start affiliate marketing for your favorite brands. These methods require initial effort but pay off in the long run. You don't need a large investment to get started. Consistency is key. Keep learning and adapting. Create multiple income streams for maximum earnings. Passive income gives you financial freedom. Did you find this useful? Hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.